Brianna Lene. Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So, as you can see, my hair is dry, but I am starting on freshly washed dry hair. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how I'm styling today. Starting off by sectioning off my hair, and then after pinning it up, I'm going to go in with African Pride Moisture Miracle Hydrate and Renew Curl Milk and Detangler. This leave-in curl moisturizing milk helps to restore my hair because, as y'all can see, it's dry. I'm going to just work it throughout the bottom section of my hair. And also, I am going to be using a little bit of water, so you may see that throughout the video. Next up, it's time to use the Moisture Miracle Curl Defining Gel. This is going to hydrate and hold my hair. It is super weightless, alcohol-free, and let me tell you, it's going to help to slick down this lower section. I'm actually going to have 3 sections, and you'll see that I'm using a scrunchie for the bottom section. And once I secure the scrunchie nice and tight around my hair for my low ponytail, I'm going to go ahead and start twisting. For the twisting part, I am still using the Moisture Miracle Curl Milk and Detangler because I really want my twist out. Yes, twist out, y'all. I want my twist out to be nicely moisturized, and I'm also using the combination of the Moisture Miracle Curl Defining Gel to help provide my hair with hold. So I have moisture and hold on lock. So I'm going to repeat the same steps, and I'm just detangling and working the product in my hair so each section is nice and smooth and it's hydrated. I don't know if anyone's watching and wondering, man, are her arms burning? Well, you are 100% correct. My arms were on fire while I was brushing my hair. But you guys, you got to make sure that you work in this product so you get it nice and slick and smooth. So again, I'm still twisting my hair, and you can see my twists are looking juicy. And I really like these 2 products together. I've used them before for a braid out, and I got bomb results. So why not try it again for a twist out? So I cannot wait for you guys to see the end result. Let me know in the comments, have you tried these products before? You know, what hairstyle did you do while using them? Let me know everything in the comments. So now that I've reached the top part of my hair, right, I want to make sure that my hair is slicked down. So I did use the gel, and to make sure that it's nice and slick and smooth for my edges, like I want to be 100,000% covered, I'm going to be using African Pride's Moisture Miracle Maximum Hold Edge Styling Wax. Now you guys, when I say ultimate edges will be laid, when I say that my edges are about to be laid and slayed, this is what I mean. Like, once you work it all in, it melts perfectly on your hair. It is not drying, does not turn your hair white. Like, do you see that? Slick. So as you can see, this is what my twists are looking like, and I'm going to go ahead and move to the front, and I'm going to twist my hair at the front. You see it's looking dry, but wait until I'm done. So I am still using the same combination of using African Pride's Moisture Miracle Curl Milk and Detangler and the Moisture Miracle Curl Defining Gel. Both of these products mesh very well together for me. There's no flaking, but there is lots of hold and moisture. So I really like these 2 together. And one thing I noticed is that they infuse their products with aloe and coconut water. That is so important to moisture and hydration. I'm now coming up on my last twist, and y'all, look, my hair is revived and I haven't even done the final look. So one thing that's important to me is I will sit under a hooded dryer to allow the products to deeply penetrate my hair, allow that heat to give me that salon finish. And the next day we are dry and ready to start unraveling. Now, to unravel my hair, I'm going to be using the African Pride Moisture Miracle Strengthen and Protect 5 Essential Oils. I'm going to be using this because I want to help eliminate frizz when I'm separating my hair and to add additional shine. And this oil is pretty lightweight, and any oil that's lightweight is fine by me. Okay, I don't like those heavy oils to weigh down my hair, and African Pride came through with this one. So after taking out all of my twists, do you guys see this definition? Listen, it's the shine for me. It's the definition for me. And in order to spice up this hairstyle just a little bit, I'm going to be using some bobby pins to help secure my hair in the back for a little updo. Of course, you could leave your hair down as is, but as for me and my head, we're gonna get into this updo. So bobby pins, and I'm kind of just freestyling at this point, feeling what's right. I'm going off of, just vibes. I don't have a mirror or anything, so this is my end result. And you guys, my hair feels so good. It looks way better. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Is this a hairstyle that you would try? Are these products that you would try? I definitely want to hear from you. If you're interested in these products, make sure you check out your local Walgreens to get your products right now. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.